For Gen Z, and specifically Gen Z of color, ESG commitments and DEI commitments aren't just an add-on, they are a requirement for us to see a future with your organizations. Point blank, period. So I know there's a lot of pushback happening right now, but we have to acknowledge by next year, Gen Z will make up 27% of the workforce. That percentage is going to go up. And for us, we are going to hold you accountable. There's actually this new terminology, this new phenomenon. We've heard about quiet quitting. There's climate quitting, in which young people, specifically Gen Z and millennials, anyone under the age of 40, are leaving their jobs or declining offers because of lack of ESG commitments. This is how we see the future of our work, and it's either you're going to be a part of it or you're going to be left behind. So that's how I'm using my influence right now.